Hey guys, it's Mary. So I have been waiting for this auto ship from Diamond Press. I think it was supposed to come last month or maybe earlier this month. I don't know, but it's here. And it's the Easter basket. And this is auto ship of the pop-up dies. I think there's maybe 6 of them. But this is the Easter Bunny, and it's it's gonna look so cute. So if you don't remember what the pop-ups were, this is actually the first auto ship. This was the original one. It was the bouquet, and I'll remind you, I have a little sample here that I had done. If I can get it out. So, that was the bouquet. And I did this just to check the mechanism. And they all work exactly the same when you put them together. And so this was the tree. And then, so let's take a look at what's in, or not the tree, but the bouquet of flowers. All right, so let's see what we've got here with this one. Look at all the Easter eggs I see already. You know, Diamond Press is just so much fun. So of course it comes with a big folder because it is a big die. So, oh my gosh, look. It's got the bunny that's gonna go in the basket. This is gonna be here. Let me take this out because I bet you got a glare going. And that's not good. All right, so we've got, this is going to make the Easter basket with the eggs around it. Then we've got the bunny that's going to go in the basket. And then we've got assorted Easter eggs in a little basket. Hoppy Easter, hippity hoppity. Here comes Peter Cottontail. I'm so excited. Have a sweet Easter and to and from. This bunny is just so cute. Look at how cute that little bunny is. So I would imagine it's going to work exactly the same. So let's look at the instructions. All right, so it says stamp and color, then cut the following pieces with your diamond press. You've got to get your card base, your interlocking, the basket, which is this right here. And let me see, where's the, there's the die cut for it. And then, so you do the interlocking basket. That's the pop-up. There's the Easter Bunny. Color your eggs as desired. Then fold the front side back. Repeat. This is just like before with the bouquet. Look at how cute that is. And then let's see what this one looks like. Continue. This is the right side, 5. Yeah. So then it shows you how to put the little tabs in and where to glue. And those are these are little tabs that actually go down and hold the box and open up when you open and close it. And then the assembly, look at how cute. Apply adhesive to the triangles shown in purple. So the mechanism is all the same. So that'll be good. So I am planning on making one of these, and I'll do a video so that you can actually see how to do the mechanism and get it in so that it pops open and closed, open and closed. So anyway, so I'm pretty excited about this. And I got it in time so I can make some Easter cards. It's the end of February, and Easter's in April this year. So that's good, that's extra time. This does not want to cooperate. Hold on. All right, we'll do that later. All right, so that's it. Excuse me. Pop-up Easter basket card. Like I said, this was an auto ship, but sometimes the auto ships will show up later as individuals items. So this one is so cute. So if you got yours, if you've subscribed to the auto ship for the pop-ups, let me know. If you've gotten your Easter basket already and worked with it, let me know. These are going to be so cute to color and easy peasy. So, all right, well, that's it for this one. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you're a subscriber, thanks for subscribing. So until the next one, which I have some lined up because Diamond Press had a flash sale and that just came. So more Diamond Press in the future. Anyway, so until next time, stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. Thanks for watching. Bye.